Hello friends, greetings from Mukesh Patel and Inspirations Unlimited. This small audiovisual presentation endeavors to kindle hope and confidence in our minds and hearts at a time when we need it most. History holds testimony to the eternal truth that every challenge or adversity carries the seed of an opportunity that can be transformed into prosperity. Much greater than the toll on human life and economic growth that the corona crisis has generated is the colossal damage on the mental well-being of mankind that has been inflicted by the panic, distress, and anxiety caused by the pandemic. There is no greater elixir than optimism and determination that can instill power in us to combat negativities arising from any crisis. Resilience and fortitude are truly magical attributes that can be the turning points for any transformation. This is the time for all of us to remember one of the most powerful songs of the 20th century, which inspired one of the greatest freedom movements in American history.
We shall overcome. Deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome. And with this faith, we will go out and adjourn the councils of despair and bring new light into the dark chambers of pessimism. And we will be able to rise from the fatigue of despair to the buoyancy of hope. And this will be a great America. We will be...
Word for word, we shall overcome someday. The short, simple lyrics have come to be recorded as some of the most influential words in English language. And when it comes to motivation, language knows no barriers. No wonder this song has been sung in numerous languages, our own Hindi and Gujarati being no exception. This lovely medley in the language trio of English, Hindi and Gujarati says it all, as it exhorts us to firmly believe that our faith and conviction can help us overcome fear and frustration, and our prayers can turn worries into worship.
हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। ओ मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन।
મળશે સફળતા અમને, મળશે સફળતા અમને, મળશે સફળતા એક દી એવો મનમાં છે વિશ્વાસ, પૂરેપૂરો વિશ્વાસ, અમને મળશે સફળતા એક દી.
We'll walk hand in hand. We'll walk hand in hand. We'll walk hand in hand someday.
ओ मन में है विश्वास,
પૂરેપૂરો વિશ્વાસ,
That we shall overcome someday.
होगी शांति चारों ओर, होगी शांति चारों ओर, होगी शांति चारों ओर एक दिन.
એવો મનમાં છે વિશ્વાસ,
I do believe
हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन.
અમે સૌ ભયથી મુક્ત છીએ, અમે સૌ ભયથી મુક્ત છીએ, અમે સૌ ભયથી મુક્ત છીએ આજથી.
Oh, deep in my heart,
पूरा है विश्वास,
અમને મળશે સફળતા